Okay, good afternoon all. Let us try to explore new things with Tableau. Firstly, I'm having a data set. Just look at the data set I'm having. I hope you are able to visualize. The table is relationship. Now I am trying to join this relationship table with user table. Okay, I will repeat. There is a table named relationship and another table I joined is user table. Okay, so many joins can be possible and the common column is user ID in both the tables, right? Inner join. Let us try to figure out the result of inner join. Which table is common in my case? Anyone? Swarupa? Which column is common? Mention the common column. Swarupa? Am I audible? Yes? Soham?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which column is common? How many tables I joined?
Ma'am, can you repeat? There was a internet issue.
There is one table named relationship and the other table is user table. Extension is CSV, that is comma separated values. And as you already know that 4 joins are possible. Okay, I asked which column is common between both the tables. Swarupa, mention the common column between both the tables. Soham, Swanandi, which is the column common? Common column is you are able to see clearly on the screen that column which is common
User
is
ID, ma'am.
ID. Very good. I hope the screen is clearly visible.
It is थोड़ी सी blur हो रही है.
Oh. अब is it clearly visible?
नहीं, अभी भी थोड़ी blur हो रही है. थोड़ा सा आगे ले. Okay, fine.
Okay. The first table is relationship.csv. Another table is user.csv and the column which is common is user ID. And the result is, as you are able to observe. Yes, this is user ID in the table relationship. Yes. And now this is user ID in the table user.csv. Yes. Shall we proceed? Now, why I have gone through this join? The answer is We'll see it soon. Just wait for a while. Okay, it's an error. Okay. Now, post performing this join, try to observe this is relationship table and this is user CSV. Able to understand? Yes or no? I hope the screen is clearly visible now. Just wait for a while. I'm starting it once again. Relationship is one table and the user CSV is another table. In both the tables, user ID is common. I hope the table contents are clearly visible. Yes? Anyone?
Yeah.
Swanandi?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Okay, Swarupa. Nice. Now, let us try to find out the green. Once again, we will go for the data source. Green in my case is, I have figured out the location and firstly we will see the grain and then we will, okay. Firstly we will try to observe the grain and then we will try to figure out the changes. The grain is start time and location, okay, on the basis of age. I will repeat. The grain is start time and location on the basis of age, or we can say location and age on the basis of start time. Means we are trying to figure out how many people or the age group on the basis of location and start time. Done? Clear with the grain? How many columns are expected? One is start time, another is location, and the next is age. My grain is I am trying to figure out the time on the basis of age and location. Start time I am trying to figure out on the basis of location and age. Which is my grain? Mention my grain. Prashant. Mention the grain. Prashant.
Start time, location,
Start
और
time,
एक
location and
और एक
what was the third column? Yes, Prashant. Try to observe the screen. Start time, location and
time, ma'am.
start time you already told. Location you already told. Third column is age.
Age.
Done? Shall we proceed? Okay.
Yes.
Now, look at the charts. How many charts are possible? If you clearly observe, first chart is, the chart name will be at the end for text tables. Which is the name of this chart? Text table. Okay. First possible chart for the grain chosen is text tables. Another chart is, look at the change. Which type of chart this is? Mention the name of chart. Yes?
Heat maps.
Heat map, right. Okay. Let's try to reconnect it once again. Heat map. The next is, which type of chart it is?
Ma'am, screen.
Yes. Oh. Now I hope it's visible, right? Which type of chart it is?
Highlight tables.
Highlight tables, right. And I will scroll, you will tell me the chart. Which type of chart it is? That's the change when I'm changing the chart. Okay. Firstly, we will choose the, which type of chart it is? Text tables. Observe the change. Next is heat map. Observe the change when I will click on descending. Observe the change in case of heat map. Which is the most affected location? Karnataka and Maharashtra. After that, Telangana. Okay, able to observe? Which is the least affected? Sikkim. Right? Shall we proceed? This type of chart is highlighted tables. This previous was heat map. Now next is highlighted tables. Now look at the change. There are so many variations with color. Okay, now try to figure out with the descending. Now I hope you are able to mark out the difference. Yes or no? In ascending, it is different. In descending, it is different. With mixed mode, it is different. And we will go for the previous one. This was the previous. Yes. And if I will click on this, then lower end will be with lighter shade and higher ends will be with darker shades. Which map or which chart we are observing for? Which type of chart it is?
Highlight tables.
Pardon?
Highlight tables.
Highlight tables. Very good. After that, go to the pie chart. I hope you are able to observe the variations. Okay. Next is, which type of chart it is?
Horizontal bar.
Horizontal bars. Only one person is answering. Rest are not answering. Then all the rest people or students will be treated as absent for today's practical. Okay. Which type of chart it is? Name the chart.
Step bar.
Vertical bar.
No, stacked bars. Right?
Strike
Or it
bar.
can be treated as vertical bar as well. And this is
Side by side. Side by
Side
side.
by side bar.
Very nice. This is identify the chart
Tree
type.
maps.
Very
Tree
good.
maps.
Maps.
This is
Circle view.
Circle view.
good. Line, area, and now Gantt chart. This is bubble chart. This is box plot. Okay. For migraine, how many charts are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay. Now among 17, you all are expected to choose one chart. This is one chart. This is second. Identify most suitable 5 chart types. Okay. Among 17. This is third. I will repeat my question. Identify most suitable 5 types among 17 suitable chart types. This is horizontal bars. This is stacked side by side bar. Tree map. This is circle views. This is line. Okay. Area. Box. Gantt chart. And bubble chart. Have you identified 5? Top 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
So try to figure out the voice issue and then only you will be able to say something and I will be recognized. Otherwise, keep yourself on mute. It's terrific, means I'm unable to identify your voice. Okay, Swarupa? Swarupa,
Yes, ma'am.
identify 5 suitable charts among 17. Or 15 we will say. Will it be the suitable chart? Soham? Swanandi? Prashant?
Bar
Siddhi?
chart.
Bar chart? Okay. One of the answers given is bar chart. Okay, one. Next
Heat
is
maps.
Yes, ma'am.
heat map.
Heat
Where
map.
is heat map? Second. Okay, very good.
Highlight tables.
Pardon?
Highlight tables.
Highlight tables. Very good.
And
Pie chart.
stack bar.
Pie chart.
Hmm.
Okay. First one was heat map. Another was highlight tables. Next was, which one was?
Horizontal bars.
Bar. 3. Now 2 are remaining.
Stacked bar.
One girl said stacked bar.
Hmm.
Is it suitable?
No, no.
Will this be suitable?
Yes.
Yes.
Which type
Yes,
of chart
ma'am.
it is?
One chart.
Yes. Then fourth is also chosen. Now only one is left. Try to figure it out. Is this type of chart suitable? Line chart? Or we can say the area chart?
No.
Why not? If the answer is no, then justify. If the answer is yes, then also justify. Same in case of pie. One girl said the pie chart is suitable. If the answer is yes, then also you are expected to justify. If the answer is no, then also you are expected to justify. Whether the area chart will be suitable? Yes. Will this chart be suitable? Bubble chart? Will it be suitable?
An area chart can be suitable
Area chart can be suitable. Why?
because we can identify the hours.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Is bubble chart suitable? What do you all think? Is bubble chart suitable? Will
No,
the
ma'am.
bubble chart gives us the correct answer? No. Why? Bubble chart is not suitable. If you look very clearly to bubble chart, then it's showing the clumsy result, right? We will never prefer the chart type which gives us the clumsy presentation. Okay, and that's why we are rejecting bubble chart. We are rejecting the pie chart as well. Why? Because it's giving the clumsy presentation, right? Okay. Which are the suitable charts in this case? First is heat map. Second is first is heat maps. Second is highlighted tables. Third is
Horizontal bar.
horizontal bar. Very good. After that, fourth will be area chart. Fifth will be Gantt chart. Right? Now, I have stopped presenting screen. Now you all are expected to listen very much carefully. I will repeat it twice. Okay. When to use area chart? Okay. Instead, I will show you I will share the screen. I hope the screen is visible. When to use area chart? Identify trends over time. Okay. Now, coming back to the Tableau. Okay. Area chart. Okay. Why the area chart is suitable in our case? Because we are dealing with start time. Okay. When to use area chart? To identify trends over time. Okay. We are trying to figure out the trends or location and age on the basis of start time. Right? That's why we can use area chart. Is it clear? Shall we proceed? When to use area chart? Whenever we are trying to identify trends over time. When to use box plot? For comparing multiple groups and identify outliers. I will repeat it once. For comparing multiple groups and identify outliers. What was the chart name? Box plot. Now where is the box plot in my case? Here is the box plot. Is the box plot suitable? Yes, it is suitable. This is one of the suitable chart in my case. When to use box plot? I will repeat it once. For comparing multiple groups and identify outliers. Now let us try to figure out the outliers. These are, this is the box plot, end of the box plot, this is start of the box plot, and this is the entire part. Is that clear? Shall we proceed? How many charts we have gone through right now? Area chart and box plot. Third is bullet graph. When to use bullet graph? When we are trying to identify the qualitative variations in single parameter with respect to target chosen. What it means? Qualitative means measure or dimension. Qualitative measure means dimensions, right? Whenever we are trying to analyze the dimensions, then we will go for with the particular parameters. Then we will go for the which type of chart? Bullet chart, but it is not possible in my case. Okay. Third is when to use bubble chart? When we are trying to compare the relationship between 3 or more numerical variables and identify outliers. And that's why bubble chart is suitable in my case. But as it's giving the clumsy presentation on the cluster, on the grain I chosen, I'm rejecting the bubble chart. Okay, next, side by side bar graph. Is it possible in my case? Yes. Why is it possible? When to use side by side bar graph? Directly compare the multiple things across same category. Multiple things across same category. Which category I am going for? The category is age, location, and start time. Okay, the variations are given on the basis of start time. Now the base category is start time. I will repeat it once again. Side by side graph, compare multiple things across same category. Which is same category? Start time is same. Okay, and multiple things are location and age. Okay, I will repeat. The base in my case will be start time, and I am comparing the start time with respect to location and age. And that's why in my case, which chart is suitable? Side by side bar graph. After that, when to use tree map? Structure data in top-down approach. What is tree map? Identify tree map. Is this a tree map? Yes or no? Yes, students,
No.
you are
Yes.
expected to answer. Yes, it is a tree map, and as you are able to see, the structures are arranged on the basis of colors and values. On the basis of values, different colors are mentioned in this tree, right? Able to understand? There are certain clusters of data. What do you mean by data cluster? The group of data which is similar, which will be represented in the collected form, right? Just try to figure out the next one. When to use Gantt chart? When to use Gantt chart? Plan, schedule, track the project on the basis of timeline. We are trying to figure out. Once again, I will repeat. We are trying to figure out the start time on the basis of location and age. And that's why Gantt chart is possible in my case. Okay. The next type of chart is, which is the next chart? Okay, it can be shown afterwards. When to use heat map?
Ma'am, can
When
you
to
repeat
use
the site?
identify patterns, track behaviors, means on the basis of clicks, on the basis of scrolls, on the basis of hovers, we try to use the heat map. Whenever we are trying to identify the TRP, mostly heat map is used. Okay, right? But the another use of heat map is second one. Try to look and try to analyze and understand this second use. Compare categories, high enhancement areas, compare the categories, high engagement areas when user interactions are less. Compare categories, high engagement areas as well as the low. We can compare the high, we can compare the low, and we can identify the categories as well. Now let us go to the heat map once again. This is the high. Okay. This is the lowest. Okay. And categories, different patterns, different categories can be identified with the help of heat map. Okay. After that, when to use circle view chart? Identify patterns over time and identify outliers. Circles. Pattern. What was the use? To identify the patterns over time and outliers. Pattern and outliers. What is the use of circle map? Or when to use the circles? Pattern and outliers. I hope it is clearly visible. Okay. We can identify it with the help of descending and ascending as well. Okay. Let us move for the next. When to use pie chart? To display part of whole relationship. Part of whole. This will be the one part of this whole relationship. This can be a part of this whole relationship. And that's why pie chart can be used in this case. Okay. When to use highlight tables? Identify patterns, trends, structure in the data set. I will repeat. When to use the highlight tables? Identify patterns, trends in structured data set. Okay. Once again, we will come for the highlighted tables. These are the highlighted tables. See the variation. This row is with different color. This is of different color. These two rows are with same color. This color is lighter than this one. These are the darker shades, and once again these are extreme light shades. Okay? Then we are well aware about which chart can be used when. Okay. Now, just give me 1 second. We will try to analyze the things, or we will try to figure out the okay. All of you, I will give you the time of 1 minute. You all are expected to take the page and pen. I will repeat. All of you are expected to take the page and pen. Once ready, tell me. Your time starts now. It's 1:58. I'm giving you a time of 1 minute to take the page and pen with you. Okay? Ready with page and pen? All of you? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi Kadam.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with page and pen?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will give you the task. Everyone, okay? Swarupa. I will write it down. To whom I am giving which task. That it will be easy for us to identify at the end. Okay. Swarupa.
Yes, ma'am.
Swarupa will draw the pie chart. I will repeat. Swarupa will assume certain scenario and she will draw one pie chart on the basis of scenario chosen. Okay? Swanandi. Swanandi Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Swanandi Patil will take the scenario of bubble chart. Swanandi Patil, you are expected to show me bubble chart. Assume the scenario and draw the bubble chart. Okay? Prashant. Prashant?
Yes, ma'am.
Prashant will show the heat map.
Okay.
Prashant, heat map. You are expected to draw, okay, on the page and pen. Assume the scenario, draw it on page and pen, right? Siddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhi will draw the area chart. Assume the suitable scenario and draw the area chart, right? Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next one is Sinha. I hope there
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the sound issue. Oh, it's clear. Okay. You are expected to draw the Gantt chart.
Ma'am, can you explain once again Gantt chart?
Okay, surely I will allocate everyone a chart and then I will explain it once. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi will explain tree map. Okay. The next. Okay. Malve. Akash. Yes, Akash Malve. He will be treated as absent. Anjali Bhosle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anjali, you will explain side by side.
Okay.
Okay. And Dhruv. Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv will explain box plot.
Okay.
Nishant.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishant will explain highlighted tables.
Okay, ma'am.
Sumit. Who is left now? Anjali.
Yes, Chandra.
Yash is left. Swarupa is given Swanandi.
Ma'am,
Swanandi is given 1 minute. Vaishnavi is given Vignesh. Right? Vignesh is left. Smith is left. Siddhi is given. Yes, only those are left. Okay. Now Vignesh will give circle views. Vignesh will give circle views. And Yash will explain stacked chart.
Yes, ma'am.
Smith will explain text table. Smith, are you there? Smith. Okay, Smith will be treated as absent for today's practical. Akash, have you started? Akash, Malvi. Your time, it's 2:06. It must be complete till 2:10.
ma'am, you haven't given to
Ma'am, I
me.
am also left.
How many left? Tell me the name.
Sneha.
Soham,
Neha.
ma'am.
Pranav.
Sneha, Soham, Pranav.
Vignesh.
विघ्नेशला दिलं ना? विघ्नेशला सर्कल व्ह्यू दिलं ना?
Ma'am, it was not audible. What, ma'am? Can you please?
स्नेहा, सोहम आणि प्रणव का?
Ma'am,
हा? Who? स्नेहा, सोहम, प्रणव आणि कोणी हँड रेज केला होता आता? ओके,
सिद्धार्थ मैम.
सिद्धार्थ.
भी रही है.
हा?
Ma'am, it was me. It was not audible actually. It was not audible
Okay,
previously.
okay, Siddharth. One girl was saying something. Little bit louder.
सुभी
Is
भी
anyone
रही है,
there?
उसको भी नहीं मिला.
कौन
सुभी
रहा है?
चौरासिया. सुभी
सुभी.
चौरासिया.
Subhi. Okay, done. Okay, Subhi will explain the box plot. Only the constraint
Can you
is
repeat, ma'am?
box plot.
Okay, ma'am.
Sneha will explain Gantt chart.
ओके मैम.
Soham will explain stacked chart.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Pranav will explain bubble chart.
Okay, ma'am.
And Siddharth will explain tree chart. Only the constraint is, purposefully I gave you the same chart, right? Name of same chart is given. Okay. If scenario and chart is repeated in any case, then you will be treated as absent in today's practical. Okay. It's 2:10. Swarupa, share your screen. Who raised the hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Who raised the hand?
Excuse me,
Please.
ma'am. Vignesh here.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Oh,
you
Vignesh.
said me topic, but it was not audible that time. Could you please repeat?
Vignesh, circle views.
Circle views. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. And one more box plot. No, Gantt chart. One person heat map. कोणी सांगितलं होतं प्रशांतला पाहिजे होतं का heat mapचं explanation?
मैम मुझे
No,
चाहिए
ma'am.
था.
अच्छा, heat map का explanation चाहिए था आपको.
घंट
Okay.
चार्ट का मैम.
Gantt chart का चाहिए था. Okay, just 1 minute. Gantt chart is explained, or Gantt chart is used for planning something, for scheduling something, or for tracking something on the basis of given timeline. I will elaborate. For planning something, for scheduling something, or for tracking something on the basis of timeline. In our case, we are tracking the location and age on the basis of start time. And that's why Gantt chart is suitable. Clear?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
planning, for scheduling, or for tracking on the basis of timeline. Yes, the guys and girls, time up. Swarupa. Swarupa will share the screen and explain the scenario as well as the chart drawn. Yes, Swarupa?
Ma'am, can you give me a few minutes?
Okay. hardly I can give a minute. It's 2:12. We will start at 2:30. Why? Because I am starting in the sequence given to you. Okay. And randomly I can announce anyone's name. For first person, I am starting with the scenarios given. Post that, I can announce anyone's name randomly. It's 2:13. Okay. I will give you time till 2:15. Will it be okay? Post 2:15, I can randomly announce anyone's name. He or she is expected to present. You are expected to present your screen and elaborate your scenario chosen. Right? One minute left. Just a minute to start. A minute to start. It's 2:15. Okay. Swarupa. Swarupa. If Swarupa is able to present the screen within second, then only she will be treated present. Otherwise, she will be treated. I hope I gave you enough time. Swarupa is expected to present the pie chart. I am announcing the name one more time, and after that, I will mark her as absent. Swarupa. Okay, Swarupa will be treated as absent in today's practical. Siddhi. Siddhi, are you there? Siddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Done
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
chart?
Yes.
Okay, present your chart. Is there any issue? Siddhi?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, there was internet glitch, so I can't able to speak along.
You will present at last now. Siddhi? Siddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the trouble? What is the issue?
Ma'am,
Why
I
are you
can't
stop-
find a rear camera option here.
Okay. Okay, you explore till
Can, ma'am, can I send a snap on chat?
no. You are expected to present. Nishant,
Yes, ma'am.
done with the chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start presenting then.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you facing any trouble?
Ma'am, should I first paste that picture on chat box, then I explain it?
No, directly present. Put your screen on present mode.
Okay, ma'am.
Share, click the share option on your mobile. Okay.
Then,
And
then
start share video.
there we go.
There are 3 dots. Click on that. After
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
the option is share video and start sharing. Still unable to share?
Mm. Wait a minute, ma'am. Just wait a minute. Ma'am, I
It's
can't see
taking.
the option, ma'am. Share. There is just the share button and then add background, Windows.
Who knows how to share the screen? Is there anyone? Yes? Anjali, do you know?
Excuse me, ma'am. May I please?
Pranav?
I'm ready with the thing.
Who is Vignesh? Yes, you
Yes,
can.
ma'am.
Present and
Ma'am, actually, I'm not attending on the laptop, so I've been making this. Just give me a second, please. Ma'am, it has been mirrored actually. My camera has been mirroring. I don't know what else happening, but I have tried to make a graph. Well, this is what I have made. Uh, actually,
little bit
your
louder,
first
Vignesh.
question was, you said for the topic circle waves, right? So for the circle waves,
Yes.
I have here a graph which has circles. Like we use circles for comparing the datas. Okay.
No,
So
you are
now,
stop, Vignesh. You are expected to present the chart drawn on the basis of scenario you chose.
yes, ma'am, I have the same scenario that I have chose. Okay, which I have the main data set that I have for the
Then
project.
start presenting the
I have made for
screen.
the same way. Ma'am, actually, the data set is not on my device. It's on the another group mate's device for the
So
main data
there
set.
is no any question of data set. I said you to draw a picture on page and pen.
Yes, ma'am, that is
There
what I
is
did.
no any question of the page and data set. No, assume the scenario, just draw the chart and present.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to present that
Nishan,
because
start presenting, Nishan. Rotate the camera and start presenting. आपकी वॉइस क्यों नहीं आ रही है? Are you on
Ma'am,
mute?
actually, I'm on laptop. That's why I can't flip the camera.
अरे मोबाइल पे भी कैमरा रोटेट कर सकते हो ना?
मैम मोबाइल पे अभी मुझे लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा.
आपने क्या किया है अभी? कहाँ से ज्वाइन किया है आपने?
मैम लैपटॉप से. Ma'am, I'm trying to share the screen, but I ain't seeing that option.
Okay, have you drawn the chart on the patient pane?
Yes, ma'am.
Show it. Which chart is given to you?
Ma'am, that
Nishan,
ma'am, highlighter table.
highlight table. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent.
I here took canteen food sales and the grains of food item and average daily sales. And behalf
Okay,
of that,
Nishan, you
yes, ma'am.
you can take a snap. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
send it on group, and I will present your chart, and you are just expected to explain. Will it be
Okay.
possible?
Okay, ma'am. I will send on that chat.
Okay. Don't send on chat. Send on WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sent.
Yes. I'm presenting. Just give me a second. Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
explain.
Ma'am, I took canteen food sales domain, then the grains of food item and average daily sales and revenue. On behalf of that, I predicted the demand level and highlighted the high with lesser strokes than the very high ones. That's it.
Good.
The
Very
one with the
nice.
most strokes are the demand level which are high, and the lesser ones with the demand level quite less than the medium one.
Okay. Done. Nishant will be treated as present in today's practical finally. Okay. Anyone else who have done and unable to show? Pardon?
Ma'am, may I?
मैम मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं?
Yes. Send the pic on the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
All of you, those who have completed, send the pics on the WhatsApp group. I will announce and we will share. No one sent. Okay, then I am announcing the names. Okay, yes, Saint. Okay, done. I will announce. Okay, I will announce the name, then we will go. I will announce the names randomly. Yash is expected to explain now.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope the screen is visible. Yash, is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Then start explaining. And one more thing, language is not a barrier. You can explain in Hindi, you can explain in English, you can explain in Marathi as well. Language is not a barrier.
तो मैम मैंने सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट बॉयज और गर्ल्स से 3 ग्रेन लिए हैं। सब्जेक्ट है डीवी, ईडीएस, एसआईसी, डीएस और फिजिक्स। और उसमें बॉयज की और गर्ल्स की क्वांटिटी है, मतलब बॉयज के 30, 40, 50, 20 और 60 हर सब्जेक्ट में, और गर्ल्स के 10, 20, 70, 40 और 10। उसके हिसाब से मैंने स्टाक बार चार्ट मतलब ड्रॉ किया है।
Okay.
Yes.
And the conclusion on the basis of chart drawn. Conclude your chart.
मतलब हम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि मतलब कितनी मतलब क्वांटिटी है किसकी, मतलब बॉयज की ज्यादा है कि गर्ल्स की ज्यादा है हर सब्जेक्ट में।
Okay, very nice, very nice. Yash will be treated as present in today's practical. Okay, Sneha. Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Send the image.
Yes.
Or else if you are able to present, then present. Sneha is expected to
I am
send
sending the image.
Sneha, Sneha, Sneha. No, Nishant, Yash, Mohit, Vignesh, Swarupa, Siddhi,
I have
Swanali,
sent the image.
Vaishnavi, Anjali, Sneha, आत्ता पाठवली आहे. स्नेहाचा कोणता? 1 मिनिट थांबा.
Gantt भेटलं होतं.
I hope the screen is visible. Explain.
Yes.
Not
Yes, so I've
visible.
drawn the Gantt chart for home renovation time. So as it shows, like it takes day 1 to day 3 for planning and budget. Then for plumbing work, it takes day 3 to day 6. And likewise, the chart is drawn, like it helps us to illustrate the timeline of the home renovation project, and like to track the activities, how much time it takes. Likewise.
Very good. Very good. Sneha will be treated present in today's practical. So the next will be Anjali. I'm trying to find out the Anjali. Okay. Okay, Anjali, you are expected to explain. Anjali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. This graph
Yes.
shows the comparison of marks of two students, A and B, two subjects, that maths and science. For A, the marks is math around 80, 85 and science around 80. For B student, the marks math around 75 and science around 80. The blue bars represent math, means vertical line represent the maths and horizontal line represent the science. And we can comparely the perform the both student is both subject. Student A has higher mark in math and student B is lower mark in math.
Okay. Anjali will be treated present in today's practical. Now, Sneha.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you sent?
Yes.
I'm looking for.
मेरा हो
Okay.
गया.
आपका हो गया?
Yeah. I just
हाँ,
I
Sneha is
explained
mark
Guru
present.
Ganchar.
Sneha is mark present already. Soham. I'm presenting Soham's chart.
Ma'am,
Okay,
this is
Soham.
ma'am, this is text bar graph showing the number of students in different branches. In x-axis, there are branches mainly civil, IT, CS, mechanical, and ANTC. And y-axis, it represents the number of students, which are from 0 to 1.4K. And here the grains are girls and boys. This graph tells that which CS has the maximum number of students, then ENTC have the equal number of students, like this wise.
Okay, very good. You will also treat it present in today's practical. Then Vignesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now onwards, I will choose the image and you are expected to start according to image you sent. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Vignesh.
Yes, ma'am. May I begin?
Just wait for a while. I am searching your image. Yes. Directly.
Well, the grains I have chosen right now here are the RAM size.
Let me correct you, Vignesh. This will not be an example of bubble chart. Okay, I'm stopping the presentation and I'm giving you the example of bubble chart. Bubble chart can be
Ma'am,
like this. Just
ma'am,
wait for a
it
while.
was, ma'am,
Don't
you
be in a
said me
hurry.
circle wave. I'm sorry. You said me the
This
topic of
will be
circles
an
wave.
example of bubble chart. Able to understand? Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
you said me circles wave. I'm sorry for that. Sorry for interruption, but you had me the topic of circles
Oh,
wave.
circle. Okay. Then it's completely fine. Completely fine. Just wait for a while. Yours was, yes, circle. In that case, it's completely fine. Now, elaborate. Start
Here
explanation.
I have in the y-axis we have brand names, and in the x-axis we have RAM sizes. Like I'm comparing the sales on the basis of the RAM size and the brand. Like for the 4 GB RAM, we have different, like we use circles here to compare. The size of circles, you can say they denote the amount of the mobile sold that month or the certain period. Okay, so for you can say for the 4 GB RAM area, 4 GB RAM section, we have for Oppo there are more number of cells than other companies, and for in the same way for the 8 GB RAM area, Samsung has the highest sales of 8 GB RAM, and Apple also has lower than, like circle waves we are used for comparison on the basis of size of circles. This is all.
Okay. Conclude your chart.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Conclude your chart.
No, I can't. I have no words. I'm done. Sorry.
I will ask the question once again.
Okay.
Conclude your chart.
Ma'am, I am not able to answer.
Conclusion काढायचंय. एखादं conclusion काढायचंय तुझ्या chart वरनं.
Ma'am,
Vignesh?
ma'am, मुझे answer करने नहीं आ रहा. Like I'm not able to figure out what I have to answer on that question.
Oh, अरे आपने चार्ट ड्रॉ किया है तो चार्ट कुछ तो कंक्लूड करना चाहिए ना. मतलब ये चार्ट के बेसिस पे आप कुछ तो कंक्लूड कर पाए तो ये चार्ट का कुछ मीनिंग भी है. जैसे कि 12 GB डेटा यूज करने वाले लोग कितने हैं, 6 GB डेटा यूज करने वाले लोग कितने हैं, कौन से कैटेगरी में वो लोग ज्यादा हैं, ऐसा कुछ तो कंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, ma'am. Like there are very less amount of companies, famous companies that provide 12 GB RAM of phones, and the maximum population you can see that they uses 6 GB RAM mobile phones and 8 GB RAM mobile phones. Like 4 GB RAM mobile phone user is very less, and the maximum amount of users, as you can see on the graph, are 8 GB and 6 GB, and most 8 GB RAM users are mainly from Samsung and Oppo for 6 GB RAM. Okay, thank you very much.
Very good, very good. Okay, the next will be, I am starting presenting, and which okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start.
So this is basically a tree map. Tree map is used to show structured data in top to down approach. Here I have assumed a condition in which there are number of students passed out of 100 in a particular subject. So first we can see SIC. In SIC there are 95 students who are passed out of 100. Similarly, I have mentioned all the subjects, and the least are in Linux with 50 students passed. So from this tree map, we can find out most students passed in a subject and least students passed in a particular subject.
Very good, very good, excellent.
Yes, ma'am.
Start explanation.
मैम इसमें हमने 3 ग्रेन लिए, एक रीजन और कंट्री, उसके बाद परसेंटेज जीडीपी ग्रोथ एंड एक ईयर लिया है. तो 2023 में इंडिया की ग्रोथ 100% थी। उसके बाद 2024 में इंडिया की ग्रोथ 50% थी और 2025 में इंडिया की ग्रोथ 25% थी। वैसे अलग अलग कंट्री के लिए है और ये हिट मैप चार्ट है, इससे हम इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि कौन से साल पे कितनी ग्रोथ थी कलर शेडिंग के देख के।
Okay, good. Start.
Ma'am, imagine this is a data analyst working for an international organization like the United Nations. This image shows a bubble chart that shows the GDP per capita, life expectancy, and population across different continents. On the horizontal axis, x-axis, GDP per capita in dollars is displayed, which indicates the economic of country. On the vertical axis, y-axis, life expectancy in years is shown. The average lifespan of people, and each bubble indicates a group of countries from a particular continent. The size of each bubble indicates the population, and different colors are used for showing the continents. And in this scenario, data analyst from the United Nations uses a bubble chart to compare economic and health condition of continents.
Good.
So, ma'am, this is a pie chart of 40 students and teacher comparing their hobbies. So, in the 40 students, there are 25 students who are like to playing a sport. 15% students from the 40 students like to reading a book. 20% students are like to play video games. 30% are like to watch TV, and other 10% students have different hobbies. So from this pie chart, we can conclude that how many students, the green is how many students have hobby to read books or playing video games, or other who has other hobbies.
Good. Student is expected to explain.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Huh? Expected to explain. You know the pattern now.
I think, are you audible?
Pardon?
Are you audible, ma'am?
No, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, are you audible now?
Your voice is breaking. You're not clearly audible.
Are you audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
On the x-axis, these are the units sold by the
Swanandi, your voice is breaking.
I'm trying to explain it.
Pardon?
I think the network connectivity is that issue.
Okay. Okay, done. then you will be treated as absent till you are not explaining, or you are expected to write it down and share your screen. Till that, you will be treated as absent. Okay?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which chart is this?
Yes, ma'am. This is box plot. I have taken data of students' study hour. I've taken data of 7 students. In this chart, we find out first minimum value, that is 1, maximum value, that is 8, and Q1 is first quartile, that is the data which lie in first half of 25%, and median is where 50% of data lies, and quartile 3 is where 75% of data lies. So I have created a box chart where we can find out the minimum value and maximum value, and also the median, that is 4. So by this box plot help us to understand the distribution of data, like by showing the minimum and maximum value and where the values lie.
Okay, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Am I audible now?
No, you will present at last.
Okay, ma'am.
Which chart is
This is
this?
a bo box plot. First 10 matches cricket runs, and minimum is 10 run and maximum is 85 run. Usually is the 150 run, but is the outer layer, so 150 run is excluding. So 85 run is maximum, and Q2 is median. 50% runs are usually in median, and Q1, Q3 is range between 40 to 70 runs. So a conclusion is that uh, there's are consistency between 40 to 70 runs, and in case of luck and pitch depends on pitch, runs gets 150 runs. That's
Okay.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, you tell me to do X table. X table मतलब क्रॉस टेबल भी हो सकता है, तो उसमें रोज कॉलम्स उससे बनता है। तो यहाँ पे रोज यानी स्टूडेंट्स होगा, स्टूडेंट और उसके बाद साइंस और इंग्लिश के मार्क्स, और कॉलम्स होगा वो जो नेम्स होगा, राहुल, राज, रवि, उनका होगा, और इनसाइड द वैल्यूज होगी वो उसके मार्क्स हो गए। तो उसमें से मैंने ग्रुप बार चार्ट लगाया और उससे मैंने ग्रुप बार चार्ट से हमें राहुल के तीनों सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स और राज के तीनों और रवि के तीनों सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं। हेलो
हाँ
हेलो
हाँ.
हेलो।
Yes, yes, I
हाँ
am listening. You continue.
तो हम इन तीनों से उन तीनों के मार्क्स और उनको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि किसने किसमें हाईएस्ट ग्रेड किया है और किसका लोएस्ट ग्रेड है और ओवरऑल ग्रेड वगैरह।
Ma'am, I have created an area chart for student attendance over a month based on sample data. On x-axis, days are shown. On y-axis, number of students are shown. The filled area helps to see attendance increased or decreased or overall consistency across the month. And from the chart, the attendance is mostly stable between 45 to 55 students with a slight peak around mid-month and a gradual decline towards the end. Means at the end of the month, the absentee is increasing.
Okay. Okay, there is one more photo, but that photo I am unable to present for. Okay. Okay, just one photo is left. Just for a second. I'm trying to Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you gone through? Is your presentation done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, I was trying to figure out the pic sent by you. Now, yes, I'm able to present. Yes.
So, ma'am,
Yes,
basically,
Mohit.
हाँ, सो मैम बेसिकली घन चार्ट मुझे मिला था। तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या था कि एक स्टूडेंट है जो लिस्ट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज वो मतलब प्लान कर रहा है कि उसको किस मंथ में क्या करना है। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे पाइथन उसको जनवरी में करना है, अब्रॉड ट्रेवल जून जुलाई में करना है। तो बेसिकली ओवरव्यू इस चार्ट से हमें ये मिलता है कि मतलब घन चार्ट से कि कोई भी कुछ प्लान शेड्यूल प्लान कर सकता है या फिर प्रोजेक्ट ट्रैक कर सकता है।
Okay. Good. Now let us continue the session. Those students who left, for example, the student was able to explain due to the range and all these scenarios, and the students were not active. I marked the active student in the practical, they will be treated as present, but the students who were unable to present today due to range or somehow they are unable to, they were unable to connect for. In that case, you are expected to draw your chart. Explanation must be written with the pen and pen, and make the PDF and keep it with you. Once you join the college, you will post that PDF on Moodle. Then and then only you will be treated as present. Now the quick recap or the question answer session once again. Okay. Trying to use area chart. Now I will announce the name and you are expected to answer. Okay. Swanandi. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm
Swanandi?
ready. Hello.
No, for the past explanation, no, I'm not. I have already mentioned the things. If you are able to answer when to use the area chart. Will you be able to answer when to use the area chart?
Yes.
Then explain.
Am I audible now?
I hope you're not audible. Suddenly, let it be. Mohit,
Yes, ma'am.
when to use area chart?
मैम ट्रेंड्स देखने के लिए.
Trends देखने के लिए. Very good. And okay. When to use box plot?
बॉक्स प्लॉट कुछ
रुकिए,
मिड.
अभी अभी मोहित नहीं बताएंगे. रुकिए रुकिए. ध्रुव.
यस मैम.
बॉक्स प्लॉट.
जब कोई मतलब कंसिस्टेंसी निकालनी हो तो, और कुछ एक्सेप्शनल निकालना हो तो.
Okay. Subhi. Side by side graph.
We use box plot when we want to understand the
I asked you the side by side graph.
sorry ma'am.
Side by side graph. Shall I repeat my question? Side by side graph.
We use side by side graph when we want to compare the data, like when we want to compare it in groups.
Okay. Bubble chart. Siddhi.
To compare relationship between three or more numerical variables.
Smith. Gantt chart. Smith, are you there? Smith. Okay, Smith will be treated as upset. Siddharth. Gantt chart.
हेलो मैम. हेलो.
हाँ स्मिथ.
हेलो. हाँ मैम, वो कनेक्शन थोड़ा इशू हुआ तो वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही थी. क्या बोला आप?
Okay. When to use tree chart?
When to use?
Tree chart.
डेटा को कैटेगराइज में अगर होगा तो उसे प्रेजेंट मतलब वो ब्रांच वाले टाइप में प्रेजेंट करते हैं. मतलब दो तीन अगर हो गया रिलेशंस टाइप होगा तो उसे फादर होगा तो उसके सन के तो ऐसे मतलब बड़े चार्ट पे से कैटेगराइज में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज शो करने के लिए.
When to
तो
use
एक
key? अच्छा अच्छा, आप कुछ तो बोल रहे थे. हाँ स्मिथ.
हाँ, ट्री चार्ट आपने बोला था वो हम बड़े ग्रुप होगा तो उसे स्मॉलर ग्रुप में डिवाइड करके बाद में उसे उससे हम डाटा निकलते हैं उस टाइप.
Okay. Vaishnavi. Highlight tables.
Yes, ma'am.
Highlight tables.
Highlight tables are used to identify patterns or trends in a data set.
Am I audible? Vaishnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
highlight tables.
Am I audible?
Yes. Continue.
So highlight tables are used to identify patterns or trends in a data set.
Okay. Last few questions will be just like buzzer round. First come at first serve, right? Gantt chart. Anyone who is able to answer, just start without taking the permission. Gantt chart.
To understand the schedule and like to track the project on the basis of time.
Very good. Wonderful. Circle view chart. I will repeat.
Ma'am,
Circle
to
view chart.
identify
Yes, sir.
patterns over the time.
Very good. Heat map.
Ma'am, a heat map chart used to track the location and behavior of the another patterns and identify the patterns.
Very good. Wonderful. Are you all having any query? Have you understood the session? Which chart can be used when and how to choose the chart? If it is
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
and if you are having any doubt, then you can ask. I will try for a minute. If you're not having any doubt, then we can conclude the session. If you're having doubt, you can ask. Try to figure out how many charts we have seen, and there is and if you're not having any queries or question, then we will stop the meeting. Do you have any question? No one? Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I will stop the session.